Hello everyone, welcome to another video unboxing. Hey, as you can see I got two hands. So yeah, my last video I did a OnePlus Watch 2 video, and I said in the video if anybody can recommend me a good stand, and yeah, one of my subscribers got back to me, green.emo. Got in touch with her, she recommended this stand, pretty decent price. Also, I'd like to give her a shout out. She's actually doing a live stream tomorrow, 12-hour live stream. She's doing it for charity, for saving our world. If you play video games, you know what that means. I'm going to put her link in the description. If you can help out, it's a great cause. It's for saving our world, gaming charity. Please support her in any way you can. Anyway, back to the unboxing. It's a OnePlus pad with the keyboard. Yeah, I know. This has been out for a few months. If you watched my video last week, I did mention it was my birthday, May 11th, Saturday. And yeah, this is a present for my brother and his son, my nephew. I actually got this like Saturday, but I ordered a stand and I thought, you know what? Let's do an unboxing. Let me try unboxing with the new stand and see how it goes. You know, get to maybe a little bit more professional than just one-handed on my telephone, right? So yeah, you know, I've been waiting to get the stand and do the, you know, I remember I just talked to my brother, and this is what I was using last. I bought this last March. It's an Honor 8 12-inch. You know, it does its job. It's actually pretty good. 120 hertz. There you go. I just got this for traveling, really. Just watch movies when I'm traveling a lot, because I do a lot. I'm doing a lot of vlogs now, and I bought this in March. It was on sale, £180. I think it's for Easter sale. I just so happened to mention to my brother that I'm thinking of upgrading a tablet, and I mentioned a OnePlus, and he and his son, my nephew, bought this for me. On OnePlus at the moment, it's an officially £379. You get the keyboard for free. So let's start unboxing. All right, let's start with the keyboard. Magnetic keyboard. I kind of semi opened it up, you know, just to check inside. That's why you can see it's a bit ripped here. So let's unbox the keyboard. This is actually quite new for me, using a stand. I'm kind of used to kind of shaky cam with my one hand. Okay, so this is a keyboard. As you can see, I got the green one. There's only one color. 8 GB of RAM and 120 GB of storage. So you see, it's a nice green. I can't remember what color green. Probably emerald green. Probably not. Anyway, and inside the box there's some manuals and nothing else. Here it is. Nice texture to it. It's got a big hole punch for the camera. The keyboard right there. All right then. Let me just put this aside and unbox the tablet. Like I said, kind of semi opened it up, but just have a quick check. Here it is. Here's the tablet. Let me just take this out first and see what's inside the box. Usual OnePlus, red and white. That's their kind of signature color. We've got the USB, what is that? USB-C to A in there. And is that it? Okay. It doesn't seem like there's any charger. Unless someone told me that, which is weird. Anyway, I thought they had like a fast charger or a brick or something inside, and it looks like it does. I assume that they assume that we have so many chargers. I mean, that's fine. I got loads of chargers anyway and loads of bricks. So, yep, it doesn't seem like it comes with the brick. Yeah, I'm sorry about the coughing. I'm actually recovering from I think of a flu I actually caught in China. I'm still suffering from coughs. Okay, so let's put this box back in, and oops. Oh, let's just put it like this way and unwrap the tablet, shall we? Oops. Alright, this wasn't perfect, but it will do. Okay, You can see the reflection. I've actually got a couple of rings running in the background. Here's that famous little, what's that little, camera bump. Here you go, still got a sticker, probably keep that on. And the front, you can see my camera, my new setup. It's not the most professional, like I said, but it does it. It's a 7:3 aspect ratio, I think, or 7:5, one of those. I need to really do some. What do? Turn it around, you actually see my reflection. I am gonna attach it to the keyboard and see how it looks. This magnet has got a pogo pin, as you can see. You know, before we do that, you know what? Let's compare them to my other tablet. Here we are. So this one is a 12-inch, 16:9 aspect ratio. This is 11.6 inch from diagonal, 7:5 or 7:3. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And yeah, so that is the size. Let's see the thickness of them both. Yeah, pretty evenly matched. One's a bit more kind of edgy, the other one's a bit more, kind of has a rounder feel to it. So pretty evenly matched in thickness as well. Anyway, let's get back to that unboxing. And let's put it on the keyboard, shall we? You can see here it's got the 3 pogo pins. And let's see how it goes. Oh look, a magnetic. Oh cool, magnetic as well. Pretty cool. You can see it's got that automatic. I think it only does one angle. It's not the best, but I suppose it's not like your Surface devices. I'm just giving it a good clean, but it kind of got the screen a little bit dirty. Oh, it's got a nice feel to it. I like the circular little cord, the circular. Reminds me of touching. Reminds me of Lenovo keyboards. Lenovo has one of the best keyboards in my opinion. It's got a what seems like about 1.1mm travel. A nice dinky little trackpad, pretty cute. Yeah, it feels quite good. Yeah, all in all, feels great. You can pull it out. Nice. It's got a really strong magnet, pretty strong. You can see how much it's shaking it. It's actually a pretty strong magnet. Take it away like this, and you've got a nice cover. Pretty cool. Not bad. Decent size. So with the other trackpad, the other tablet I'm going to use that still for watching movies. It has a pretty good screen to it, and 16:9 I think is probably the best ratio for watching movies. This one I'm just going to use it for kind of like little documents here, maybe a bit of word processing, writing emails, and then probably reading comic books as well, because I find when I read comic books on the 16:9, it kind of, how do you say, it's too slim. So this has a slight wider angle, so I'll probably start watching comics, but mostly I use this for just replying for emails, writing little documents here and there, because it has a nice aspect ratio for that kind of thing, and just viewing things on the internet. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? Alright then, what I'm going to do, I'm going to boot this up, put my credentials in, and I get back to you in probably an hour or so. Until then, I'll see you guys later. Hey everyone, welcome back. Yeah, took me some time to set this up. There was a bit of an issue when I connected to my PC when I wanted to download. At first it was working, then it wasn't working. I think I figured it out. Switching the Bluetooth off. Yeah, and making sure that you had a cable that has transfer data, because I was thinking I was also using just a charging cable. I had to kind of change cables. I try not to use the cable inside because I've got plenty of cables. Anyway, well, I think the main reason was because I had Bluetooth on and it's working fine now. So you can see, you know what, having the keyboard was pretty cool, setting it up. Yep, I'm back to one hand because my tripod's there, and wearing my OnePlus Watch 2 as well while doing this thing. So it's running on Android 14 with Oxygen OS 14 as well. 8 gigabytes of RAM and 120 gigabytes of storage. 9510 milliamp battery. Front facing camera is 8 megs, rear is 13 meg. Yeah, screen size 11.6.1. Is running a Dimensity 9000 octa-core. Pretty cool. So yeah, I mean the trackpad's cool. It's not as good as say a PC Windows tablet or anything like that, but you know it does the job. But setting up was pretty easy because of the keyboard and everything like that. So let me just get out of here. So I like my desktop simple. I like some widgets down here, taskbar, and as you can see, just really simple. I just float up. You get all my apps here, of course. I like to have the digital buttons here. This one, and then you got the whole whatever apps you got on, and so forth. I got it on the highest frame hertz, 144. Pretty good. This is a picture I took. Actually, I took in Tokyo 2 years ago. This is a picture of, you can see Godzilla. This is the Godzilla Hotel. Took this picture. Actually, I was using a OnePlus 9 Pro to take pictures. So, see, this is OnePlus Pad, OnePlus Watch. I was using a OnePlus 9 Pro to take a picture. So let me see if I actually downloaded it. You got VLC, I mean. Let me put some videos on. I should have some 1080p. Let's put some Ninja Camera, and you can see. Oops, cannot be played. Why is that? I wonder. Let's see if I can try another one.
Weakness is a sin.
You can see the borders. Pretty big. Yeah, you're probably telling me why my work got dubbed. I prefer anime dubbed. I know it's weird. So it does its job. Let's get out of here. Oops. Oops. Yeah, so that's that. What I'm gonna do, I am gonna, like I said in the unboxing, I use this for mostly just to browse the internet. Here, of course, is browsing internet, YouTube, and do some documents. What I'm going to do, also I talked about and use this maybe for reading comics. I'm going to put my other tablet side by side and see what you guys think, which has the best viewing angles. I'll be back. So I'm back. As you can see, I'm reading Immortal Hulk. You can see side by side, this is my Honor 16:9. See what you think. Which one do you think is a better aspect ratio? I find the OnePlus, because if you look here, this panel, it looks kind of like squished up, where this one seems to be more natural. Yeah, so I'm going to use it for comics and documents and just browsing the net. This one just watching movies because they're 16:9. But anyway, that's just a unboxing and just a little bit about the operating system and what I use it for. This is not a review or anything like that, because there's plenty of reviews out there, and plus I'm a bit behind. Well, this is a great present for my brother and pretty cool. But anyway, yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are in the world, and please do stay safe. Until next time, goodbye.